it's connect with 266 types of industries directly or indirectly. जहाँ कि आप सब कुछ आप कंसिडर कर सकते हो फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल एक छोटे से किले से लेके एक पेंट की कंपनी तक. देयर आर मोर देन 266 कंपनी विच आर इन्वॉल्वड इन रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर्स. ठीक है. एंड रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर इज अ ह्यूज सेक्टर. 7% of the India GDP has been contributed by the real estate sector, and real estate sector gives 15% jobs to the skilled or unskilled laborers. So it's a huge sector. Now everyone is worried of what will be the effect of corona in real estate market. So let me tell you, just be calm. And real estate sector is a sector of a fighter. ठीक है. जितने भी बिल्डर्स है, प्लेयर्स है, रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स है, दे ऑल आर द फाइटर्स. बिकॉज रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर्स ने हर मंदी को काफी आसानी से झेला है. मे बी इट टुक टाइम 6 से 8 महीने के अंदर, बट every time if you will see the real estate market has come up in a very good way, और वो सब चीज कवर कर लेते हैं. Now let us talk on the positive side of the effect of corona on the real estate market. Now, for the first time the government is taking consideration, and government is taking a note of real estate sector. So they are making policies which will help the builders to stabilize their business. And for the first time, the bank rate of interest is low. It's approx 7.05%. That is just to motivate the investor to purchase the home, and I think which is a very good thing. And let us take one more thing into consideration. सब लोग यहाँ पे डरे हुए हैं कि लेबर्स सब यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, अपने वापस होम टाउन पे जा रहे हैं, तो बिल्डिंग कौन बनाएगा. So let me tell you, this is all a temporary phase. लेबर्स अगर जा भी रहे हैं, 60% ऑफ द लेबर्स, जो 60% लेबर्स है वो आज भी अपने साइट पे ही है. और गवर्नमेंट ने अभी छूट भी दे दिया है कि इफ यू हैव द लेबर्स देन यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन कंस्ट्रक्शन, व्हिच इज अ वेरी गुड साइन, बिकॉज लेबर भी अपने इसमें बिजी रहेंगे. हेलो, या सो लेबर्स भी अपने काम में बिजी रहेंगे और बिल्डिंग का काम भी, कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम भी चलता रहेगा. प्लस देयर इज वन मोर एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. काफी सारे लेबर्स है जो आउट ऑफ इंडिया है, मिडिल ईस्ट में काफी सारे इंडियन लेबर है. नाउ दे आर वरीड अबाउट देयर जॉब्स एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू सर्वाइव ओवर देयर. सो बेसिकली वो सब भी अब इंडिया आना चाहते हैं और उनका भी यही इच्छा है कि हम यहाँ पे आके ही काम करें. सो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. So yes, for the temporary period we have to face some problem of laborers, but it will be sorted very soon. And काफी सारे लोगों का एक ये भी मानना है कि प्रॉपर्टी के रेट्स होंगे 30 to 40% और काफी डाउन चले जाएंगे. So let me tell you, Devang and all the participants, 30 to 40% is not practically possible. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत रेट्स ऊपर नीचे होगा. You will get good price at a discounted rate. So the investors has a good opportunity to invest at this point of time after corona lockdown. And let me tell you one more thing. काफी लोग या काफी डेवलपर्स पहले महारेरा को कोसते थे कि ये क्या है, रेरा क्यों आया, बट आज के टाइम पे वो एक एडवांटेज बन के उठा है. यू जस्ट हैव टू send your रेरा नंबर टू ऑल योर क्लाइंट्स, टू योर एक्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट्स, प्लस जो आपके नए क्लाइंट्स है, आप उनको सिर्फ रेरा नंबर दे दो and they will go through your project. So it is very easy for the developers. Even the purchasers or the investors right now have a very good time. So वो लोग अपने रेरा नंबर पे जाके वो लोग आसानी से चेक कर सकते हैं कि बिल्डर इज जेन्युइन और नॉट. एंड इन टुडेज टाइम द बिल्डर हैज टू मेक व्हाट दे हैव शोन. पहले ये चीज नहीं था. So this is a very good thing, I think so.
And sir, also
and one more.
sorry, yeah, please continue.
No, sorry. Yeah, ask.
Also, we see that real estate sector is not much dependent on technology. So in this lockdown, do you see any scope for future technology use in real estate sector?
Yes, 100%, Devang. 100%. As you will see, now the builder has started the CRM software also. Plus now they can sit at home and they can watch what's work is going on at their site. So before 10 years, it was not possible. So now everything is because of technology. We can sit at our office and we can have a look. So that is the best thing.
And sir, many questions are coming in. Like for example, is it the right time to buy or invest in real estate market, or should we start selling our assets that we have?
No. It is a perfect time to invest in real estate market. Let me tell you one thing. आज के टाइम पे इन्वेस्टर्स जो भी सोचते हैं वो ये सोचते हैं कि मेरा पैसा कहीं डूबे ना. So at present, share market is not that thing because the market is very volatile. Plus the mutual funds. Now people even don't trust the mutual fund companies. So you cannot invest in mutual funds. You cannot invest in gold. You cannot invest in share market. Bank में भी अभी लोगों का भरोसा उठते जा रहा है. And FD में इतना return नहीं आ रहा. So what is the best place? The best place is to invest in real estate sector.
सब
आप काफी
कि अभी
पैसे
और नीचे जाएगा मार्केट?
temporary, Mr. Devang, yes, you can say that the market will go down, but yeah, after 6 to 8 months, it will recover.
And what about huge
And
supply of flats in
and
Mumbai also?
no, everything will be normal, Devang. Everything will be normal in 6 to 8 months. There is demand also, and plus the best thing is the government is trying to bring outside companies, foreign companies in India, and majority of the companies are the production companies. So many industries will come to India. So जो अभी जो आपको जो फेज दिख रहा है कि काफी सारे यूनिट्स अनसोल्ड यूनिट ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं, सो वो सब यूनिट सोल्ड आउट हो जाएंगे बहुत ही जल्दी. Let me tell you, Maharashtra government is looking for 4,000 hectares of land. And the best thing about the real estate market is कि it is a basic necessity nowadays. जितने भी कोरोना के इफेक्टेड लोग थे, if you will see them, कि जो रेंट पे रहते थे उन्हें काफी तकलीफ होने लगी है. The owners are not cooperating with them. So ये काफी अच्छा एडवांटेज है. And they will think कि चलो अब छोटा ही सही पर अपना खुद का एक घर ले लेते. And रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर एक ऐसा चीज है, आज हर जगह पे चोरी होने का डर रहता है. But you know, if you invest in real estate sector, you cannot steal, you cannot do anything. मतलब आप चोरी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, आप फ्लैट या कुछ चोरी नहीं कर पाओगे. So it will be the safest investment. And as you get share market as a dividend, so here you get a rent.
So there's also a worry about job and salary cut that is happening in today's market. How should one deal with that? Should one continue to be in this market, or should one try other opportunities or other opportunities in other areas?
No. I think so. हमें जो भी फील्ड में आप हो, आप उसी फील्ड में कंटिन्यू करो, बिकॉज जो भी जॉब के कट डाउन्स है वो सबके लिए है. It is not only for particular segment or market. It is for the whole nation. It is for the whole world. So instead of jumping into other sector, be there, be calm, and be in what best you are. I think that will be the best. ठीक है, जो temporary problem है वो face करना पड़ेगा, but then everything will be sort out. And the best thing about this thing is, you know what, कि पहले जहाँ पे लोग अपनी lifestyle बना रहे थे, instead of saving money, they used to spend money. They used to buy a high-end car, a good cell phone. So now people are saving their funds. And they are like कि नहीं, पहले हम घर खरीद लेते हैं, बाकी की चीजें हम बाद में खरीदेंगे तो भी चलेगा. And you won't believe the 65% of the Indian population is under the age of 35 years. So जितने भी 35 years के नीचे के हैं, अब वो सब पैसा बचा रहे हैं क्योंकि वो घर खरीद पाए. So I think this is the best thing.
सर ये तो आप खरीदने की बात कर रहे हैं, जिनको बेचना हो वो क्या अभी बेचना के सही समय है ये बेचने का?
बेचना हो तो it is very difficult, कि उनको जो price expectation है वो अभी आए. So I would suggest कि अभी बेचने से अच्छा you can sell it, but after 3 to 4 months. So that will be the good.
और सर long term acquisition का कैसे आपका view है? Long term acquisition और we say investment, how do you see it now?
Sorry, Devang, your voice was breaking.
Sir, how do you see the long term investment or acquisition part in today's volatile market?
नहीं, it's very good. Actually, देखो, हम इंडिया में या भारत में हम धरती को हमेशा माता का रूप देते हैं. So माता कभी किसी को धोखा नहीं देती. So if you invest in a real estate market for long term, I'm 110% sure it will give you a very good returns. आज के टाइम पे भी if you will see the Raymond, correct, Raymond ने अपना मुंबई का शोरूम बेच के they have purchased a huge land in Gujarat. So उन्हें कभी भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ, वही प्राइस में उसे काफी अच्छी और ज्यादा जगह मिल गई. So real ये कभी धोखा नहीं देती in terms of long term.
Now sir, also many brokers and many other people are saying it's a time of recession here. We are facing a virtual recession actually. as you're saying, many builders, every project is on hold right now, and people are losing their jobs, and some are not even receiving their salaries. Migrant workers are going to home. So how do you explain that part? That when you say that market is going to recover very soon, how do we say that?
नहीं, obviously समझो कि आज के टाइम पे if you will take a survey ना, the people who was willing to buy the flat before corona, I think 60% of them are still willing to buy the flat. And you won't believe, I think Mr. Nanji Andama is online. He is owner of Pile Group. He has sold 2 shops during corona.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. If Nanji sir
So
can
this is
if also Nanji sir can give his inputs on how real estate market is fluctuating. Sir, आपके क्या views रहेंगे इस पे अगर sir willing है तो? As a builder, how do वो कैसे देखते हैं आगे का market?
So we'll ask him after some time, but we can go ahead. I think so.
The floor is open.
Yes, Devang.
Sir, how do we see the migrant workers that are not here in Mumbai and migrating to different locations? How will builder lobby actually work without laborers?
Yes, perfect. Good question. Let me tell you, Devang, the most of the majority of the laborers are from UP, right? So वहाँ पे इनके पास एक ही ऑप्शन है, एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शंस, और उसमें ये लोग पूरा साल बिजी नहीं रहते. सो ठीक है, अभी डर की वजह से सब लोग वहाँ चले गए अपने होम टाउन में, बट आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स दे हैव टू कम बैक टू मुंबई. अपनी रोजी रोटी कमाने के लिए उनको यहाँ पे आना ही पड़ेगा. सो देयर इज नो ऑप्शन and no need to worry about it.
All right, sir.
And
sir,
people are safe over here. Yeah, please. People are safe over here. You won't believe that I personally know many developers. I think Mr. even Kanti Khania Banushali is here online. He is the owner of Asta Group. I know many builders who are supplying ration to all the laborers and giving their basic incentives or basic pay. So this is, I think, a very good thing, and this is the time of compromising, cooperating with each other. So laborers भी हमारे साथ जो builders हैं उनके साथ cooperate कर रहे हैं. Builders are cooperating very well with their laborers, so nothing is about to worry.
And what about the loans that they have taken, the EMIs of the same? How are they going to repay the same if the project is on hold?
Yeah, that will be so they can do what they can do, that they can sell some units at discounted price. So that is the option. Plus, even the banks are cooperating right now with the builders also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even the banks are cooperating with the builders. So there's no need to. There will be some difficult time, but I hope everything will be okay very soon. And if you want a practical answer, we can unmute Mr. Kanti Khania. He can explain you very well about this thing.
Kanti, sir. Okay.
Even he is a reputed builder. Yes, Mr. Kanti Khania.
Yes. Tell me, Chintan.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, can you please? Hello. Yes, sir. So can you explain about the loan thing? How builder gonna repay the loan amount, project loan, basically?
So it is a short-term crunch that all the builder will face, but in long term, you can pay, because if you are right, you have your money, and if you have not done any over trading, and it is easy to repay your loans. For 6 months, difficult, but after that, market will be regularized. Then you can pay the loan amount.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kanti ji.
Thank you.
And yes, Devang. So
yes,
he is
sir.
a very good, renowned person in construction in Navi Mumbai area.
All right, sir. Thank you, Kanti, sir. Sir, one more question that has come from the audience is that how is the market going to deal with after the corona effect, just after the corona effect, when the lockdowns are lifted and everyone starts on the project again? How is that going to work with the fear of already coronavirus is already looming large? And how is the market actually going to recover from it? And how much time will it actually take for the real estate industry to be on a normal to normalize basically? How much time do you expect it?
Look, if I am the builder, what I'll do is I'll do a virtual trip, as it is purchasing a home. For that, you need to visit the site, correct? So site visit is very difficult, and I think so the investor wouldn't even prefer to come at this point of time. So virtual trip will work, okay? And the one more advantage you can take is the NRI, correct? Who are staying outside India, who have good amount, and now because of insecurities, they are looking to purchase one flat in India. So it is the best opportunity for them also. We can target them also because the dollar price is already very up. I think today the price was approx 75.75 rupees. Correct. So this is a good time to, to see the investors who are staying abroad, and you can trade with them. Plus, you can take some precautionary measures also. Instead of calling your investor, you can go and you can pick him or her up, and plus you can take care of all the safety measures.
Well, so you're
And
very
this will be the
optimistic about
temporary
the.
phase only.
You're very optimistic about the situation. बहुत positive way में आप चल रहे हैं, लेकिन how do we actually? How should one actually?
Yeah, Devang, this is. Yeah, sorry, continue.
Yes, no, please, please.
Let me give you one short example. So Thomas Edison जी थे, ठीक है? उन्होंने I think so 999 times 9,999 times इन्होंने एक experiment किया था कि बल्ब कैसे बनता है, and unfortunately उसके बाद उनकी फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई थी, ठीक है? And everyone was worried कि अरे ये बंदे ने तो बहुत काम किया था, बहुत अच्छा काम किया था, मगर ये देखो क्या हो गया. But Thomas Edison जी was the only person who was happy, and he was like कि ठीक है यार, जो भी चीज जली वो मेरे कोई काम की नहीं थी. अब भगवान ने ये चीज किया तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि अब ये मेरे को सक्सेस की तरफ ही लेके जा रहे हैं. करेक्ट.
Yes.
So always be positive and be calm. Everything gonna be all right.
Yes, I forgot to mention that sir is a motivational speaker as well. And so one more question. One more question that has come is, what are the remedies available to those people who have booked flat and now their flat value is decreased? How can they negotiate legally with seller? How can they negotiate legally with seller?
No,
and sir, before you
actually,
answer that question, sorry to interrupt, before you answer that question, whoever has any question, just raise your hand. There's option of raising hand in Zoom, and we will unmute you and you can ask the question directly to the speaker.
Yes, that will be the perfect one. Yeah, Devang, let me tell you, जो भी लोगों ने पहले डील कर दी है, they have already entered into agreement or MOU or sale deal. So there is no question of changing all the terms and condition. What you can do is you can renegotiate with them. So it depends upon party to party. If they are willing to sell the flat at the lower cost, then it's very good deal for the purchaser. But it depends upon individual. So we cannot do anything on this thing, you know.
And how should rental contracts that are ending during this lockdown period be seen? Should they be, and whoever not?
Yeah. Yeah, nice question, and this is a very good question. I'll tell you one more thing कि ये problem I think almost सब जन face कर रहे हैं. जितने भी लोगों के पास जितने भी लोगों का ये rental income second income था, वो सब लोग ये problem face कर रहे हैं. और काफी सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं जो tenants से कि भाई हम लोग rent नहीं देंगे क्योंकि government ने मना किया है. So let me tell you one thing very clearly, government ने ऐसा कोई चीज नहीं किया है. In fact परसों का ही एक Supreme Court का judgment है जहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा है कि रेंट माफ नहीं होगा. What you can do is you can negotiate with the owners, and owners are also cooperating with the tenants. वो obviously अभी किसी tenants को बाहर नहीं निकाल सकते. So whatever the documentation work, they will do it in future. They can right now communicate via mail or WhatsApp, and then they can do all the documentation work. And yes, जहाँ पे काफी सारी मारामारी है पैसों की, वहाँ पे what they can do is कि जहाँ पे for example rent है ₹1,00,000 और धंधा ही बंद है, so both the ठीक है ₹1,00,000 नहीं, मैं 50,000 दे रहा हूँ, even the owner has to bear 50,000 and even the जो tenant है, even he has to pay 50,000. I think that will be the very good option for both the parties.
And so how do you see the effect of the same? for the people who are not even living on their rental agreements now, who are not even living on rent, and they have migrated to their home place, and then they say that we are not even living because of the current situation, and then they say it's a force majeure clause, like act of God, they say. So how do we deal with that situation?
No, I'll tell you one thing. The act of God, if you'll say, Mr. Devang, जो लिव एंड लाइसेंस के जो रेंट है वो बेसिकली जो 11 मंथ्स के लिए होते हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें ये एक्ट ऑफ गॉड का क्लॉज ही नहीं होता. काफी ठीक है, बहुत रेयर सिचुएशन में काफी लोग डाल देते हैं, फेस कर सकते हैं. इवन देयर इज अ प्रोविजन, वी कैन डू इट, वी कैन गेट आवर रेंट बैक, एंड दिस इज नॉट द वे. आई थिंक सो द टेनेंट शुड नॉट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स. इवन जो भी उनका प्रॉब्लम है, अगर वो सीरियसली अपने ओनर से जाके डिस्कस करे तो दे कैन गेट द बेटर सोल्यूशन.
Okay, sir. And one gentleman is raising his hand. I will unmute him.
Yeah, sure.
A73. I don't know the name. Yeah, please ask your question. A73 1F40D. Okay, I guess the person is not interested. Sir, the question is, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
current scope of resale of old residential flats?
If you're aware, Devang, the resale, right now the ready to move flats are in demand, even right now, as of now. If you look out the survey also, if you'll ask me कि आप कौन से फ्लैट को प्रेफर करोगे, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन आई विल बी लाइक रेडी टू मूव में मुझे जाना है, बिकॉज इट्स सेफ एंड आई नो एंड आई कैन सी द प्रोडक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय आईज कि ठीक है, ये जगह है, ये इतनी ही होने वाली है, ये इसमें कम ज्यादा चीज नहीं हो सकती, ना ये चोरी हो सकती है. So I think the resale work will be continued as it is, and there will be obviously a temporary effect because जितने भी लोग रहेंगे वो ये सोचेंगे, instead of investing I'll first look after my safety. मैं थोड़ा पैसा सेव करके रखता हूँ कि you don't know right yet कि कोरोना का इफेक्ट कब खत्म होगा या लॉकडाउन कब खत्म होगा, ठीक है. So yes, थोड़ा टाइम के लिए ये इफेक्ट रहेगा, but I'm sure कि this thing will be completely okay.
So one more questions that are coming in large is that how are the builder lobby actually handling the situation, because there is a financial crisis and already the real estate sector was in slump. So how is
Yes.
this current crisis has actually devastated the situation?
No, the developers are trying, even now trying very hard to sell their products. They are basically now taking the help of the technology. पहले कभी कोई आप बिल्डर का इतना ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग नहीं देखते होगे जहाँ पे आज दिख रहा है. You won't believe there are many person or investors who are purchasing the house also. What they do कि ठीक है, आप टोकन के हिसाब से आप 10,000 रुपए बेच दो, ठीक है, अगर लॉकडाउन के बाद अगर आपको चीजें पसंद नहीं आई तो विल रिफंड यू द अमाउंट. So that is a very good initiative taken by the builders, and many builders are even going to the government and they are like requesting government कि please थोड़ी बहुत जो policies है जैसे कि stamp duty is the amount which impact both the customers and the developers, so they are like try them to reduce them. Instead of 6% थोड़ा stamp duty को आप कम कर दिया करो. जो GST है जिसकी वजह से प्रोडक्ट्स महंगे हो रहे हैं, they are trying to negotiate with the government कि आप इसे नीचे लेके आ सको तो लेके आ जाओ, plus the NCLT court and RERA court. So even they are trying कि जो ये 3-4-5 महीने में जो भी इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है, please don't consider these things. Now let's see what the government does for the builders.
Yes, sir. And regarding that only, what about RERA and the delay in construction that will happen due to this present situation? Has the government given any incentives or
No,
any?
No incentives as of now, but I'll tell you one thing which is very practical. You know, ये जो developers है वो already अपने RERA के जो इसमें है declaration में, instead of if they will complete the project in 3 years, so they already declare that they will complete the project in 5 years. You know, they have already taken the measures. So ये एक चीज उनके लिए अच्छी पड़ गई है. So you know, ये 3 महीने से कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा because ये already 2 साल ज्यादा मांगते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what is more profitable, whether to buy a plot or a flat? Ask Mr. Abhishek.
Abhishek ji, it depends upon your personal capacity. Many person doesn't have the personal capacity to purchase the plot, So it depends upon person to person. And if you will see about the profit, so if you want to invest, then you can check out the documentation very well, and you can purchase in underdeveloped projects. I think that will be the best option, because plot में there are too many litigation, there are too many documentation work. और जो एक लेमैन बंदा या जिसका कोई और बिजनेस है वो डायरेक्टली प्लॉट परचेस करने जाएगा तो कहीं ना कहीं अटक सकता है. So it's good that you can purchase underdeveloped property या न्यू स्टार्ट कंस्ट्रक्टेड प्रॉपर्टी. तो आप वो खरीदो, वो आपको कम रेट में भी मिलेगा, and you can earn a handsome amount in that amount. Or
what are your views about about the share market? How it's going? How it has slumped so low?
yeah, share market, it depends upon various factors. Devang, you cannot in Indian economy, if I'll tell you, it is affected due to global economy. ठीक है, and there are many factors. मतलब अगर आपको शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो I think you need to study about more than 1200 companies before investing properly. And I always say that you should always have a long term goal. If you will see the successful person, चाहे जो भी हो, उनके सबके लॉन्ग टर्म गोल हुआ करते थे. और आज के टाइम पे पीपल नीड्स फास्ट मनी, सो फॉर देम शेयर मार्केट इज नॉट अ कप ऑफ केक. शेयर मार्केट को या शेयर्स को अपने बच्चों के जैसे ट्रीट किया करो. कीप इट फॉर मिनिमम 5 years. जैसे एक लड़का रहता है 5 साल तक, वो उठता है, वो गिरता है, वो फिर से उठता है, वो भागता है, वो गिरता है. तो शेयर मार्केट इज द सेम वे. यू स्टडी अबाउट वन पर्टिकुलर कंपनी and then आप 5 साल के ऊपर तक इन्वेस्ट करो, then you can make some amount. And if you will play like अगर आप आज खरीद के आज बेच रहे हो, इंट्राडे ट्रेड हम जिसे कहते हैं, so I don't think it will work for them.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. We have Tushar sir with us, and he's also an advocate, and he wants to share his views on force majeure clause. If you, with your permission, if I may.
Yes. By the way, Mr. Tushar sir is a very good criminal lawyer.
Yeah, one of the most famous of Mumbai. Yes, Tushar sir. We have got.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah. So I would like to throw some light on the force majeure affecting the real estate.
तुषार जी, if you can continue in Hindi, that will be better.
हाँ, ठीक है. हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ, ठीक है.
Okay.
So basically force majeure जो लॉकडाउन का इफेक्ट्स होने वाले रियल एस्टेट पे, that is the most hot topic all over the world. So force majeure जो है, in simple words उसको कहते हैं act of God, और या तो which is beyond a human control, ऐसे कुछ actions. So let me make it clear कि जो contracts already execute हो चुके हैं उसके लिए force majeure clause is not applicable unless force majeure clause का specific mention है. Leave and license मैंने तो अभी तक देखा नहीं है. There are very few cases जिसमें leave and license cases में leave and license का rent जो rent income होता है उसमें force majeure का usually तो clause कोई add नहीं करता. And as far as irrespective premises is already in use, जैसे कि residential premises, that the lessee is already enjoying the property, so he cannot claim कि force majeure I cannot give. And Mr. Chintan has rightly said कि government का ऐसा कोई order नहीं है कि आप rent नहीं claim कर सकते. It is mere a request. It is a simple request जो respective governments ने की है. So request is not a law within the meaning of Article 13, if I'm not wrong, of Constitution.
All right.
और yes, और आप I can give you a citation. It's Raja Chand versus Harmohinder Singh, 1968 SCR, Volume 3, 339. उसमें आपको लीज प्रीमाइसेस के फोर्स मेजर क्लॉज के ऊपर आपको मिल जाएगा. उसमें ऐसा कहा गया है, where the property lease is not destroyed or substantially and permanently unfit the lessee cannot avoid the lease because he does not or is unable to use the land for the purpose of for which it is let. Property तो है existence में. So
Yes, sir.
yes, so that is the case. And also you can refer to the Sushila Devi versus Hari Singh. I'll give the citation. AIR 1971, Supreme Court 1756, page number. So,
Yes, sir.
and another Kedar Lal versus Hari Lal. Citation AIR 1952, Supreme Court 47. So in short, लॉकडाउन का लीज इनकम पे कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होगा प्रोवाइडेड वैसा एक्सप्रेसली क्लॉज है तो दैट इज सब्जेक्ट टू द टर्म्स व्हिच बिकम्स द पार्ट ऑफ द टर्म. अगर नहीं है आंसर इज नो.
So the answer is अगर किसी को भी कोई dispute है आपके रेंट में आपके लैंड ओनर्स के साथ तो you may contact Chintan sir or you may contact Tushar sir for the better explanation. So we have got 5 minutes left. If you would like to conclude, Chintan sir. Thank you, Tushar.
Yeah, I think maybe Mr. Ranjan is there online. So if you want to unmute, can you unmute Mr. Ranjan? Devang.
I can't find Mr. Ranjan.
Okay. Not an issue. He is into a real estate agent. चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. And yes, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask. Please go ahead. And yeah, इसके अलावा I'll tell you one more thing कि please don't worry. Just be at home, be safe, and everything gonna be all right within 5 to 6 months. So just don't panic.
And what are the message to the brokers that are not able to sell their flats and that are not getting any income? Suddenly, all of a sudden, the income has dried up. So what will be your message to the brokers or other people? How to deal with this?
No, they have many options like housing.com or you can say online जहाँ पे they get leads. So I like to tell them कि वो अपनी pipeline को एक simulate करे. So as soon as the lockdown gets over, they have many clients in their pipelines. So it will be the good option, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So that shall be it. If Nanji sir wants to say something, Nanji sir is the owner of Pile Group. Or Chintan sir, you may conclude.
Yes, so thank you everyone for coming and listening, and thank you Devang for giving me this opportunity. And I'll request Mr. Nanji Dama to say something, as he is a very practical person in his field.
Nanji sir, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर?
नहीं सर. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Chintan sir, over to you. आप conclude कर दीजिए. So overall, what will be your message and what effect do you see and what future do you see in real estate market?
Yes, so the last message will be everyone please be at home, stay safe, and don't panic, don't worry. If you want to invest in real estate market, it is a very good opportunity. You will get many options at a discounted price right now, and you never know कि ये opportunity आपको बाद में मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी. So it's better, you know, to instead of making your lifestyle, just concentrate on your life. जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है रोटी कपड़ा मकान, उसमें से मकान को फाइनल करना चालू कर दो.
Thank you sir. Thank you everyone for joining in. We shall end the meeting now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.